Tucked into Burlington's vibrant New North End, this cheerful Colonial blends thoughtful updates with timeless charm. The open main level is filled with natural light and features a smart mix of updated flooring, cherry hardwood, softwood, bamboo, and fresh finishes throughout. The kitchen shines with freshly painted cabinetry, butcher block countertop, and a bright layout perfect for everyday living or entertaining. Step out onto the newly stained front deck, an ideal spot for coffee or catching the neighborhood energy. A cozy office with new carpet and a half bath add versatility. While upstairs, the spacious primary suite steals the show. Think walk-in closet, laundry, private balcony, and an ensuite bath. There's also a bonus room connecting to the garage, ideal for a studio, gym, or game room. Plus, 2 more bedrooms and a full bath. You're close to Burlington Parks, the bike path, and downtown. But here, you've got your own quiet retreat.